Okay, so come along, come have a look. We'll have a run through on Convotherm and AI cooking. The idea is anybody can use the oven to bake your product. And not just baking, could be roasting your product, could be steaming your product. How you set it up is entirely due to you and your business. It is designed to help your business, so when you have staff that you might be transient, when you have staff that you're changing or don't have time to train, you might be all over the country. Once it's set up, you have your programs, they load it, they set it, and away they go. Then the next stage, we're going to pop our burger patties in, and it will start without us doing anything, without us adjusting heats, temps, times. It's going to start the burger process straight away by itself. Every single combi oven, it doesn't matter who you're talking to, has 3 base core cooking modes. Steam being the first one, okay? Steam from 30 degrees right up to 130. So if you're going to put it in a pot of water, you're much better off putting it in a combi on steam, okay? 30 degrees, you've got a prover. 65, we're sous videing. 100 degrees is a boiling pot. 130 is fantastic for aggressive steaming. Other mode, convection. So convection mode in a combi, crisping, drying, dehydrating. So when we talk crisping, drying, dehydrating at 40 degrees, your combi oven becomes a fantastic dehydrator. Whether you're doing kangaroo biltong, dehydrated fruits for your bar, you might be a supermarket. Instead of throwing out your fruit, you can dehydrate it and repurpose it, okay? Then we go into combi mode. Combi mode is very, very much underutilized when it comes to combis. Everyone thinks combi mode is steam bake. It is not, okay? It is taking that moisture in the air, makes it a gas so it penetrates your product. Things like roasted vegetables, things like your roasted meats keep their integrity when that steam penetrates your product, okay? And you still get the coloration, you still get the saturation on the outside. So we're just reloading a few other little bits and pieces in here. So we've got some chicken ribs, we've got the hash browns that are going in, and Nathan's just gonna add a few other items to his shelf. Anyone worked in a kitchen, a commercial kitchen? Yeah, we know how tight they are. So getting the door out of the way is a big thing. Okay, we're gonna get this out of the way. Watch your chef. And there's our pastries. Bang, it's in AI mode. Again, ready to go for the next item. We haven't changed anything, we haven't touched anything, but we want to do some burgers. Let's do some burgers. Hi guys, if you haven't been able to make it today's event, don't fret, you're not going to miss out. You can see any of these Moffat products in any demonstration anywhere around the country. Simply contact your local Moffat rep and they can tee you up with a demo in their showroom anywhere in Australia.